Hey guys, so I just installed the Android 7.1.1 Nougat developer preview on my Google Nexus 6P, and in this video I'm going to be talking about top 5 favorite features about this new 7.1.1 preview we have, and also about the Nougat in general. So let's start off with the first one, which is the new shortcuts that are now debuted with the Android 7.1. So when you hold on to a certain application, it gives you a bit of more options. It's not like 3D touch, but it gives you shortcuts related to that application. For example, with the Messenger, I can just quickly send a new message, new conversation. With the phone dialer, I can make a new contact, and with the camera, I can quickly take a selfie or take a video. So it's nice. It's something you can say will be made more better. It does not work with like 3D the third-party applications, but in the future, I can see that it will get the support for that. So definitely the first favorite thing we have here with the Android Nougat 7.1 here. The next thing I like here is the change we have in the camera UI. So now you can, of course, normal focus there. You can just tap it like this, and there's like a different kind of effect to that. And you also got the option to tweak the exposure, so you can go all the way to maximum and lower values. So it's just so easier to change the values of the exposure. And you just have to focus on a certain object. For example, I have this here, so when I focus, and I can just quickly slide this thing up and down. It's a really convenient thing we have. And also you get other options here on the top right corner. You get the flash, grid, HDR plus, which is the secret ingredient to the Google's camera. We got the phone, timer, and then you got some more options. You can go into setting and tweak something you want to, but the main thing we have here that I like is the way you can tweak the exposure, and it basically plays a very important role when you're capturing the photo. Exposure is really important, so you need to control that. At number 3, we have a big new addition in the storage section here. So if I go quickly to the main settings, and when we scroll down here, let's find storage. Okay, here we go. Now, storage is like they have added some new things here. First off, it shows you the amount of free storage you have. Okay, as you can see, I have 8.55 GB of data used out of 58.24. Then I got the applications. It shows me how much data applications and photos and everything is taking. And then if I go here to manage storage, I can turn on the smart storage, which basically get rid of the photos and videos, and the photos and videos that you have already made a backup of. It can remove that, and you can also free up space, which is pretty good addition. Also, it will search all the files that are in your internal storage, like APK files, and then you can quickly free up the space. It will delete all the applications. Of course, at this point, it just have selected this one, but I can select as many as I can, and I can free up the space I want. So it scans the internal storage, and it can give you more space. Obviously, for those people who are having a bit of less storage, I think there's like a Nexus 5X with 16 gigabyte storage, so it would be more efficient there. And if we talk about the fourth favorite thing here that is also added first time with the 7.1 here is the move. So if I go into the main settings, you can see that we have moves option, which is basically some quick gestures. So first off, you can quickly jump into camera anywhere. If you are on your phone, you just have to double press the power button to get into the camera, which works flawlessly. And then we get the flip camera option, so you can flip your camera to switch between selfie mode and the back camera mode. So if I just quickly show you guys here, first I'm going to launch the camera, and let's say you want to quickly take a selfie. So you have to twist your phone like this, double twist it like this, double twist is like this, and it's going to go to the back camera, so you can switch between these two camera modes with ease without wasting any time. And also with the moves, you also get the option, of course, that when your phone is lying down on the table, you pick your phone up and it shows you the time, and of course your notification if there's any. So this is also in the move section, and you can disable this if you don't want it. So it says lift to check phone. Okay, so you can quickly check your notifications and time. Now the fifth feature would have been the night play that is on the Google Pixel phone. I don't know if I'm saying the right feature, but basically that feature is about the display. I mean, it turns screen yellow, it takes all the whites out of your display, you know, just so good to look at nighttime, and especially if you read books. Then it's at nighttime, then it's going to be really good for your eyes. So it's not there on the Nexus 6P. I'm not sure if they're gonna introduce this in the future versions of the Android 7.1 developer preview, but right now it is nowhere to be found. And so yeah, I'm going to talk about some things generally about the Nougat that I like a lot. So first off, of course, is the true multitasking ability we have. So for example, if I launch these two applications, hold on to the multitasking key here for some time. Okay, first I gotta get into the application and then do it like this. Tap on the second application and there we go. So this is the true multitasking, you can say. It also works, you know, when you are in the horizontal mode. So this works with every application like Instagram, Facebook, so you can, you know, check your both social network application at the same time. It's really great that Android has given us the ability to you know, take advantage of this true multitasking, and definitely this is what I like about the Nougat in general, you know, one of the top things about it. And you know, Android has made this multi-window thing official here with the base Android thing, you know. Previously it was just with Samsung phone, and now it is built into the stock Android, which is great. And I also like the quick shortcuts we have, so I don't have to swipe like all the way down and check for the options. Like I can just swipe like this and gives me all the main options that I need. For example, the Wi-Fi, the battery, of course, if I don't have the SIM card, but you'll see the option there. Do not disturb, flash, and auto rotate. So pretty much all the main options are there. But if you want to access more, so you can press it here like this, or you can swipe it again, and it'll give you like a more of a deep look. But it is like a quick way to access the quick shortcuts. So yeah, I really want this from Samsung to like implement something like that into their quick setting area thing. They already have, but I want them to like improve it a bit more. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Those were the top 5 favorite things currently that I like on my Nexus 6P running Android 7.1. And I know you guys have been requesting videos about the Google Pixel phone. We should be here in a couple of days. Obviously, it was launched I think elsewhere, but of course it will take some time to come to the place where I live. But I promise that I will be getting it as soon as possible. So we'll cover that up. We'll do comparisons and all sorts of videos. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for daily tech content, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.